formerly the IBM Plaza building, built in 1971. It's dean of the Armour Institute of Technology here in Illinois. Today that's called IIT. Again, his motto was less is more. Coming up on the right, look at these two towers here. Marina on the River, designed by Bertrand Goldberg. Now, Mr. Goldberg was a student of me, circles and serpentine design. Those apartments. The first floor, Cali, the lovely Cali's at the bar downstairs, if anybody's thirsty. In the tower, there are more than on the left of the tower, because the city of Chicago widened the Sac Food Company as a warehouse over our traffic court hall. It's a green building, meaning it's environmentally friendly. We have the old Helene Curtis office building here, coffee warehouse. This thing over it. And this bridge does open up. This is our Lake Street Bridge, our second double-decker bridge to have the L train running over it, and this bridge does open up also. All the buildings I talk about now on the right side, now it's the west side of the warehouse style of architecture. It was a warehouse, today it's a condominium building. It's a concrete building with a steel frame with a cracks. Designed by Hullaburton Root, built in 1925. Art Deco, covered in limestone, 26 stories tall. The first building on the river to have a river plaza. The lower floors of that building are overly reinforced to support printing press. Railroad station. People say it looks like a cascading waterfall. Some people say it looks like a cash register. All designed by Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, all done in the International Hermesian style of architecture. It is built on a square lot, so they were not able to build called the Agua. It's 87 stories tall, designed by Jeannie Gander. And now on the right, we have a piece of land over there. On our right now. This is the Chicago Marine City that built the Chicago Lock. Now, the only time that Lake Michigan the Great Lakes are left over from the last great ice age. As we come about here, that's there. And they had a mass graves for all the bodies. And one of the places